Hi, I'm Robert Wakefield. I work here at Twin Creeks Mine for Newmont Mining Corporation, and I'd like to introduce you to our analytical laboratory. This is where we start the process in the analytical laboratory, processing our ore samples for determination of gold and silver, as well as carbon, sulfur, and other elements in our ore to help us determine how we're going to route our ore through our milling circuits here and at other facilities across Nevada. This is our fire assay weigh-up area where we weigh samples for further determination of gold and silver in our ore samples. We weigh samples here and take them to the next step of the process, which is fusion in a high temperature furnace. During this step of the process, you see Jesse, one of our technicians, loading the weighed and flux samples for fusion. These furnaces are 2,000 degrees. We'll leave these samples in there for 1 hour and then pour them off with just one more step to determine the gold and silver in our ore samples. This is our slurry preparation area where we receive samples in 3.5 gallon buckets from our mill areas. These are samples that we track the gold all the way through the circuits, our milling process circuits. And this is an area where we prep them, we press them out, make a mud patty, we dry them in a microwave, and then from here they'll go back to the sample prep area where we started out. This is our wet lab where we use various wet methods to determine how much gold and silver is in our ore samples, as well as carbon and sulfur by Leco machine. Various methods are used to determine gold through our processes and out of our ore samples from the pit.